After knowing about that classification of resources on the basis of origin, on the basis of exhaustibility and on the basis of ownership. Now we learn about that on the basis of the status of development here. Means how these resources has been developed by us here. Look here, these are divided in 4 points here. Potential resources, developed resources, stock and reserves here. Potential resources are the resources which are found in a region. They have potential to satisfy our need but not utilize. Means these resources have so much potential to satisfy our needs but has not been utilized till now here. Like this wind energy in Rajasthan and Gujarat, there is so much or enormous energy, wind energy is found here, but we have not utilized as we should be used it. The same way, developed resources are the resources which have been developed by us and we are utilizing them because we have some technology to utilize them. That's why we are using these resources. There is a great difference. Potential resources have not been utilized in a proper manner. Here, developed resources are utilizing with some technologies there. There is a difference between them. Now come to the third one, stock. Stock have potential to satisfy our needs, but proper technology is not available here. Means some resources are there which have potential to satisfy our needs, but for utilizing them we don't have proper technologies here. That's why they are not completely utilized here. And after that, last one is their reserves. Reserves are the part of stock. Check that. Stock, too much stocks are there. Usme se some part is there which can be utilized. These are the reserves. Reserves are the part of stock. It is mentioned, can be put into use with the help of technologies, but their use has not been started till now. These are called reserves. So these questions, these points are there which can be asked in the different form here. It defines the resources on the basis of status of development. Then you have to mention all these 4 resources here. They can be asked to find the difference between potential resources and developed resources, dear student. They can be asked that what are the difference between stock and reserves. Means they can be asked in different forms here. You must be ready. If the concept is clear to that, then you can explain them very nicely. Otherwise, you will get confused. Okay. If you have any problem, you can discuss me once again here, friend. So do the exercise or maybe assignment which I am going to give you. After that, you will be clear. That have any doubt, we'll discuss these problems in the next class. Thank you, friends.